Yeah. Blizzard 26 wasn't weather, it was warfare. Cold came through like a rival set. And I stepped outside like I had something to prove. Should've stayed in the house. When the snow hit like a freight train, stay in the house. Storm punched the block so hard it knocked the lights out. Wind screaming like a demon trying to tear the pipes out. I should've stayed inside, but pride made me walk out. Dogs buried in the snow, only eyes still show. Even they knew the storm was a certified foe. Sherez on the phone, don't go. She felt that danger in the air, that sixth sense glow. Grandson laughing, but he watching me close. He know when the world turned white, that's when trouble approached. But I stepped anyway. Thought I'd handle the cold, didn't know Blizzard 26 came to snatch my soul. Should've stayed in the house, I know that now. Storm hit me hard, said send yourself down, down. Toe broke, pride broke, snow up to my brow. Blizzard 26, should've stayed in the house, should've stayed in the house. I know that now. Storm hit me hard, said send yourself down, down. Toe broke, pride broke, snow up to my brow. Blizzard 26, should've stayed in the house, should've stayed in the house. Opened up the door, steps gone straight vanished. Snow set a trap like it planned my damage. One slip, one drop, toe cracked on impact. Hit the ground fast like gravity, wanted payback. Wife grabbed my arm like a soldier in the field. Pulled me back inside before the storm got his kill. Back porch buried, 2 feet deep, whole state shut down. Even hustlers went to sleep. Sherez on the phone, eyes wide with fear. She said stay inside, that storm ain't playing fair. And she right, that blizzard moved like a hitman ghost. Cold air whispering threats like it wanted me close. Should've stayed in the house, I know that now. Storm hit me hard, so sent yourself down, down. Toe broke, pride broke, snow up to my brow. Blizzard 26, should've stayed in the house, should've stayed in the house. Storm roaring outside like it wanted to fight. Snow slamming on the roof like fists in the night. I peeked through the blind, storm stared back like it dared me to step out and face the attack. Frustration yelled, stop acting tough. That storm don't respect pride, that storm too rough. Grandson laughing, but he know the code. When the world turned white, that's survival mode. Wife holding my shoulder like don't be dumb. Storm out there waiting like it want you to come. And she right, that blizzard wasn't weather or frost. It was a cold-blooded warning that I almost lost. You can't fight nature when she rise up me. Blizzard wasn't snow, it was something unseen. Next time the sky turned white and the world shut down, staying in the house, feet warm, safe and sound. You can't fight nature when she rise up me. Blizzard wasn't snow, it was something unseen. Next time the sky turned white and the world shut down, I'm staying in the house, feet warm, safe and sound. Yeah. Blizzard 26, a storm that humbled a grown man. A storm that took my toe, my pride and my balance. But it didn't take my life, cause my wife and the fam held me down. Next time, I'm staying in the house. I'm Morpheus Black, Jeff, say I hip-hop artist. Should've stayed in the house.
Shut out of fucking step.
Blizzard 26, and no snow that a creature. That a cold spirit we hunt man in the street. And some fools step outside like them bulletproof. Hear me now. This are the tale at this time we humble giants. Heavy stamp in the river when the snow hit like free train stay in the house. This a war front soldier stamp comfy flush you out. Wine beat down the block like iron fist. Tree them bow down like them beg for resist. Dog them buried in a white town, the eyes still glow. Even the beast them know said that time a foe. Sherez inside laugh but she feel the dread. She say don't go out there, storm while you're dead. Grandsons of a giggle but him sense the fight. Them all know Blizzard move like dopey in a night militant. Shouting like a war cry. I shoulda stay in the house. Me know that now. Storm lick me down, say sit yourself down. Toe broke, pride broke, snow up to me, bro. Blizzard 26 shoulda stay in the house. Darker, more violent tone. Open up the door, steps gone, vanish clean. Snow set ambush like assassin in the scene. One flip, one drop, me toe scream out. My wife rush out like warrior grab me arm, no doubt. Back porch drown in snow, 2 feet deep. All state locked down, even the brave them sleep. Back steps slick like ice plan for me. Fall storm whisper come outside again. Me take you all. Sheriff's on the phone, eyes wide like moon. She says stay inside, storm come back soon. Harder. Cool like a battlefield chant, shoulda stay in the house. Me know that now. Storm lick me down, say sit yourself down. Toe broke, pride broke, snow up to me, bro. Blizzard 26 shoulda stay in the house. Even darker, dance all aggressive. Blizzard roll out like lion with rage. Snow beat on the roof like gunshot on stage. Me step to the window, storm clear back. Like it hear me fi open door and face attack. Showers just laugh. What you doing outside? Storm not respect heroes. Storm big brave. Grandsons of your laugh, but him know the code. Blizzard no normal, that a demon mood. My wife hold me shoulder, said don't be fool. Storm out there, we in fi drag you like mule. Cold, malady patois, feeling energy. Nature rise up rough, she no care about tough. Blizzard nah show mercy, that storm too gruff. Stay inside, warm up, that more than enough. Next time sky turn white, me knock up. Oh, 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 cinematic. So when the storm roll in with vengeance and spite, and the whole world freeze under pure white light, remember the tale of a man knockout. By staircase, snow drift and too much doubt. Next time the blizzard come fi test me house, me staying inside. Warm, silent, like shadow of a mouse.
Shut up, fucking step.